Now this is the second case. This is the second case where the point P whose electric potential or electric field is to be calculated, সেই P pointটা is situated on the perpendicular bisector of this electric dipole. This P point, P is on perpendicular bisector of dipole, and this position is called broad on position. This position is called broad on position. Okay, we have to calculate electric field for this position. So as earlier, in this case also E net will be E1 plus E2, but in this case we have to consider few more things also. So this is the dipole where minus q and plus q charge is separated by 2l. This much distance is l. Okay, as because this is the perpendicular bisector. So this P point is situated on the bisector, লম্ব সমদ্বিখণ্ডকের উপরে রয়েছে. ওকে, পারপেন্ডিকুলার বাইসেক্টর মিন্স লম্ব সমদ্বিখণ্ডক এই তড়িৎ ভ্রামক তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরুর লম্ব সমদ্বিখণ্ডকের উপরে P পয়েন্টটা রয়েছে. বাট ফর দিস পজিটিভ চার্জ, this P point electric field will be in this direction. See, E1 is in this direction and its forces are resoluted in two components. দুটো উপাংশে এর ফোর্সটাকে, ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ডটা তো একটা ফোর্স, এটাকে দুটো উপাংশে ভাগ করতে হবে. ওয়ান ইজ E1 sin theta and এটা E1 cos theta. Okay, similarly for this negative charge, the forces will be E2, it will be repulsive, এই দিকে আসবে, E2 টা নিচের দিকে আসবে. So E2 sin theta will be like in this direction, E2 sin theta, and E2 cos theta is in the same direction of E1 cos theta. Now this E1 sin theta and E2 cos theta, E2 sin theta both will be cancelled out, as because they are equal and opposite in direction. Okay, these two will be cancelled out. So entire electric field net will be dependent on the values of E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta. So we will write E1 cos theta in place of E1 and E2 cos theta, E2 এর জায়গায় E2 cos theta we will write. Now what will be the expressions for E1 and E2? For E1 it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q is the positive charge and the distance is r square plus l square. See, this is the perpendicular and that is why this triangle is becoming right angle triangle, মানে সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ. Right angle triangle, this one is hypotenuse, so base square plus height square. Okay, base square plus height is r. Okay, so this is the value of distance. So distance is becoming root over r square plus l square whole square, and plus E2 is similarly 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q, as because this is minus Q, this will become minus. Okay, and the distance is same, r square plus l square whole square, and I have taken cos theta as common entirely. Cos theta ta common নিয়েছি, and by calculating this thing we will have 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by r square plus l square root over will be cancelled out, r square by l square, and cos theta, this is theta, what will be cos theta? Cos theta we know is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay, we know base by hypotenuse, so base is L and hypotenuse is root over r square plus l square. So it will be cos theta will be r L by root over r square plus l square. Okay, I am omitting this one. So what will now the expression be like? You can see in numerator we already have 2LQ, which is equal to the expression of, yes, electric dipole. So this 2LQ will be written as P simply, and this thing will be as it is. And now we know that if we omit root, we will have 1 by 2 in power. We will have 1 by 2 in power. So this one is having 1 as power. So in case of multiplication, we will now plus the 2 powers, 1 plus 1 by 2. So this thing will become r square plus l square 3 by 2, তাই না? এই দুটোকে গুণ করার সময় রুটটা উঠে গেলে পাওয়ারে 1 by 2 হাফ লিখতে পারি। সো এই দুটোকে গুণ করার সময় while producting these two, the powers will be added up. So 1 plus 1 by 2 করলে 3 by 2 হয়। So I have written 3 by 2 over here. Now what will happen if same case r is very greater than l? So this expression will be like E net is p by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, and it is becoming p by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r cube. Okay, again we are able to see that E net is inversely proportional to the r cube. Okay, inversely proportional to r cube. So this statement that electric field rather is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance, তার মানে ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড বা তড়িৎ ক্ষেত্রের যে এক্সপ্রেশনটা, ওটা এই যে ডিস্টেন্সটা r, যে ডিস্টেন্স দূরে p পয়েন্টটাকে প্লেস করা রয়েছে, ওর কিউবের সাথে ব্যস্তানুপাতে থাকবে। সো দিস ইজ হাউ ইলেকট্রিক ডাইপোল বা তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু ক্যালকুলেট করতে হয়। সো ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে অবভিয়াসলি শেয়ার করবে। Do share and subscribe my channel, and like this video, share with your friends, share with your known ones, so that they could also have the benefit from this video. Facebook আমাদের পেজ আছে, physics module Facebook পেজে আমাকে ফলো করতে ভুলো না। Keep studying hard, stay safe, stay healthy, stay with physics. Bye.